So start by telling us your name, where you're from, and what do you do?
Okay, my name is Michelle, and I'm from Rhode Island. Rhode Island, not Long Island. Everybody gets that messed up. And I'm a realtor, broker's assistant.
Nice.
So,
You still live in Rhode Island?
yes, I do.
Well,
Yes, I do.
fun. So are you a fan of Big Brother? Have you watched it before? Be completely honest.
Yes, I watched it since day one.
Ah, so
Very first episode, so I'm a
Been-
big fan.
you've been through all the seasons, huh?
Yes, I have.
Ah, welcome to the family.
Yes, I'm excited.
All right, so last year's orgy in the hot tub. Any chances you might participate in something like that this year?
An orgy, I wouldn't say no, because I'm very like selfish. You know, I wouldn't want to share anything, so I'm not a sharing person.
You're not a
When it comes to that, no.
Okay, great. So
But you never know.
So you're single, dating?
Recently single, yep, just broke up with my fiance. Yes.
What? You broke up with your fiance?
Yes.
How long were you together?
4 years.
Why did you
And?
break that?
If you're engaged for 2 years and you're female and you don't even try to look for a wedding dress, think of a wedding date or any of that stuff, there's something up. I was too busy doing what everybody else wanted, what everybody else was happy with, than what I was happy with. And one day I was at my cousin's wedding. It was at the reception. And I just said, in order for something to grow, something must die. I said, and my cousin's growing with her marriage, and we're dead. And he just walked out of the wedding and left me there and went home, and all the stuff was gone.
Wow.
Yeah, it was pretty easy, actually. I was like, wow, I should try that more often.
And then you were okay with it, obviously?
Yeah, it was something that I was wanting to do for a while.
Yeah.
And like I said, I was too busy doing what everybody else wanted instead of doing what I wanted for me. So I'm finally doing something for myself.
Hey.
Go me.
And look at you now. You're going to be on Big Brother.
Yep, and if there's a showmance, then there's a showmance.
So you're open to showmances?
I am.
Yeah. Well, I think there might be some cute boys in the house this
Ooh,
year.
the rumor.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm hoping.
And you're right at the good age.
Yeah, I'm right.
All right, all right. Okay, so you've watched all the Big Brothers. Any favorite season?
Well, I would say Dr. Will. The 2 seasons he was in, I'm sorry, but he was he's hot. And
He's my baby. I love Dr.
He can play
Will.
the game and he can play me, I don't care.
He's smart, huh?
Oh, God.
All right, I will
God
have
bless
to.
him.
I'll
I'm
have
feeling a little sick. Dr. Will, help.
I love it.
That's the truth.
All right, I'll try to get him to your rep party then.
Please.
All right, so what scares you about being on the show? Anything? You nervous about anything?
I'm not scared. I'm more excited. I'm very impatient. So I'm just like, I can't wait for it to start going.
Yeah.
The only thing I would say is just missing my family. I already miss them.
How was that leaving them?
It was hard. I mean, if you saw my mom, it was just, she's old school Portuguese, and she's just
Right, big Portuguese family, huh?
huge Portuguese. Yeah, I mean, we there's only a few of us, but I have so much family I don't even know who half of them are. Like sometimes I'm like, Mom, is he our family? Because I think he's cute. She's like, he's your cousin. I'm like, ah.
Darn it.
Yeah. I mean, in Portuguese, like back in the day, they used to date like cousins from like 5, 6. Cousins, they get together, so I think that's kind of freaky.
Yeah.
But it's a lot different, like, from now till back then, women were more of down here, and now it's like,
And now they're getting...
I'm a Portuguese woman, and I'm not going to be behind no guy, so. They'd be like, walk behind me, or do this, do that, and I'm going to be opposite of that.
So
Yes.
watch out for those Portuguese women.
Woo.
Strong women, huh?
Yeah, we are.
So excited. Well, you need it.
Feisty.
You need it. So I asked you what you're excited about. What scares you about being in the house? Anything? Or being on TV?
I mean, I knew what I was getting myself into, so I'm just excited to see whatever is thrown at me. I like challenges, and this to me is like a really big challenge. Out of all the reality shows, this is the one you're locked in, and there's no out. So this is why this one was more interesting for me. I love people, and I love being around people, observing people, so it's a good way to learn about people when you're locked in with them.
Absolutely.
And you see everything about them.
Absolutely.
So that I'm excited about,
How do you think you're going to deal with people that you don't get along with?
I guess I could say I could get along with everybody. But I'm sure, like the first day, everyone's going to love each other, and the second day, we like each other, and by the third day, there's going to be some probably hating each other.
Yeah.
But I think all it is how people are going to feel like in the house. You know, a lot of people are going to probably go in there thinking they're going to be one way, and they're going to be another way, or they're going to try to act one way, and their real person's going to come out. So I think it's going to be, you know, every single person's going to be different. You know, I'm going to try to be as real as I can be. Maybe not. We'll see what happens. So I'm just worried about myself right now, and I'm going to do anything possible to win.
To win the money,
Anything
huh?
possible.
So you're in it for the money, huh?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely.
All right. So no.
No, I'm not there for the money. I'm just there for.
Well, you know, some people are like,
The fame.
I think I'm there for just about everything. Like this is something that's
Yeah,
like
it's an all-around
I'm
great-
from Rhode Island. This doesn't happen in Rhode Island, and I'm first generation, so Portuguese. So it's just for my family. It's just so exciting, and they are like just do whatever it takes, whatever it takes. So they're like behind me 100%.
oh, great.
Yes.
Okay. So no particular strategies or anything. You're just gonna feel it out.
Well, I mean, I can definitely say I have a strategy, but I think once you walk in the house, it's probably going to just go right out the door, and I have to strategize by each person.
Yes.
So I think until I meet that person, like in my mind, I know what I'm going to do, but until I meet that person, every strategy with every person is going to be different.
Yeah.
You know, there's going to be some people I'm going to have to, you know, some of the girls, they might get intimidated. So I might have to kind of be more nicer to them. The guys, be more flirty with them.
You know how to
the
work
guys
it.
better than girls anyway, so.
Listen, don't
You're
we
more
all,
of a
right?
guy's girl.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, I just love sports. I've just always got along well with guys. I think some girls are just so crazy. So I just can't handle like girls and jealousy. I just can't handle that.
Yeah.
So it's really hard to find guys that get jealous like within each other. You know what I mean? So
It's so true.
It is true.
Awesome.
Yeah.
We talked a lot today about crying. Do you think you're going to cry in the house? Or
Is
do
it
they
the
cry?
hair? Do I remind you of Amber?
No.
No, it's
Okay.
just everybody thinks that they're not gonna cry.
Because
You're
I'm
gonna
like
cry.
the
at
hair,
some point.
Amber cry
Oh,
every
God,
second. No, I probably
Please.
like will cry. Like I'm a very like
Emotional.
I'm a tough person, but I'm a very emotional person. Like so. I think that's a great quality, you know? I mean, somebody who just sits there and just takes everything will be like a volcano and explode one day. So I think crying is healthy. So, you know,
Yes.
I hope not crying in a bad way. I hope crying like, 500,000, you know,
Yeah.
like that.
So it's the year of politics. Any political views you got going on there?
I just think this country needs a gigantic change.
Absolutely.
Really do.
That's the one thing we all know, huh?
And if anything, you got to go out and vote because, I mean, even though you're like one vote, you are one vote, you're one vote, everybody's one vote, and I think just we have to go out there and vote because this country is just, it's crazy. It's so sad.
Do you know who you're going to vote for?
Well, I was going for Hillary, but I definitely am going for Obama.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yep.
And they're united, so
Yeah, and hopefully they'll be together.
I think the Democratic view is a little bit more on my level. I just don't think Republicans should be anywhere near the government.
What will you do if there's Republicans in the House?
I don't think I'll do anything. I think the country will just go down.
No, in
and
the
down.
Big Brother house.
Oh, in the Big Brother house.
Not the big house, the
I don't
little
know
house.
if I'm going to even know what's going on in the Big Brother house. I don't think they're going to tell me, so. What do you mean, like what's actually going on with
Like,
the
what will you do? Like, what do you think that you'll say? You know, how do you think you'll deal with people if there's someone in the house with you who's like,
Oh, they like
super
McCain and-
Republican or you know, very different from
We'll
you?
probably go at it.
Yeah,
I
you
mean,
can-
Yeah, it's been recent, like the past couple months, where I found myself like, you know, hanging out with my friends at a lounge, and I just end up talking with somebody next to me, and we just have a battle. I mean, it's something like mean. It's just their opinion,
like
my opinion, and it's like, and a couple of drinks, you know, the nails come out, hair pulling.
Yeah,
the
yeah.
Well, is there anything that we're going to discover on the internet once you're in the house? Like any, like, you know,
Like
naughty
Girls Gone
spring
Wild
break
or anything?
pictures and stuff?
No.
No, nothing good.
No,
Nothing good?
I never went on any spring breaks or anything.
No.
I was working and stuff, but I don't know. I don't think absolutely anything, but maybe people make up something good.
Well, good. Yeah, exactly. Do you think America's gonna love you or hate you? Or both?
I think it's going to be like a love-hate, like, but I think mainly they're going to love me. I think just because I'm a little bit different than everybody else, and I think people like different, you know?
Right.
They don't like the regular person, they like
That's true.
different, and I definitely think I'm different.
Yay.
In a good way, though.
Yay.
Well, I think that you're going to do very well. So, best of luck to you,
Thank you.
and good luck.
Thank you.